Vacuum is one of the most popular tools for pick-and-place automation, and one of the simplest ways to generate it is with compressed air. The core of the process is through a part called a vacuum generator. By blasting high-pressure air through a constriction, it creates a low-pressure area that draws air in through the side and exhausts it all out the back. You might think this isn't a very energy-efficient way to pick up parts, and you'd be absolutely right. Compared to alternatives like grippers and even vacuum pumps, venturi vacuum generators have one of the worst energy efficiencies. However, the vacuum generator's ability to create a useful vacuum happens almost instantly. To control it from the robot, we need to turn air on and off with electricity. That's what a pneumatic solenoid does. It's an electrically driven air valve. Power it, air is directed to the vacuum generator. Cut power, and a spring inside the solenoid shuts it back off. There is one more problem, however. Pneumatic solenoids take a bit of power to actuate, which means the mini PC running ASTRO's controller can't supply enough power to drive the solenoid directly. So a USB relay board sits in between the PC and the solenoid. The PC sends a command to turn on relay. The relay uses the power supply to power the solenoid directs air to the vacuum generator, and the part gets sucked up into the tool. ASTRO is an open source 4-axis robot arm you can build yourself. The parts list, build instructions, and all the software you'll need to get it running can be found on our website, robotsmadesimple.com.